Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert column in Excel. Let's get started. Occasionally, we forget to enter data or simply need to incorporate new information into an existing table. For situations like this, Excel offers a helpful feature for inserting an empty column or even multiple columns within a table. Once again, Excel provides several solutions, but today we'll focus on the simplest and quickest one. Suppose you need to insert an additional column between column A and column B. For example, a column for employee last names. How do you go about it? Look at the top row displaying the column letters and simply click on column B. Now right-click and choose Insert. Done! Excel has inserted a new empty column B to the left of the original column B, just as we wanted. All that's left to do is fill in the last names, like Smith, for instance. Here's a nifty tip for you. If you want to add multiple columns at once, there's no need to do it one by one. Let's say you want to insert 3 empty columns between column B and C. Here's the trick. As you already know, Excel adds extra columns to the left of the selected area. So in this case, select column C. Then click and hold the left mouse button and drag it 3 columns to the right. You'll always see the number of selected columns in a small box below the cursor, so no need to tediously count it. This way, you command Excel on how many empty columns to add, and you continue as before. Right-click on the selected columns and choose Insert. Following these steps, you can add as many columns as needed. If you'd like to learn more about managing columns in Excel, such as how to hide or hide columns, watch our next tutorial. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.